Welcome, today I'm running me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to turn off our phone, we should first press and hold the power key button here on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. After that, we can see that the Wixby is activated, but if you want to use your power key button just to turn off your device, not to use the Wixby, you should open the settings and then scroll down to advanced features. After that, click to side key section, and here by press and hold, switch Wixby to the power off menu. Now just to turn off your device, you should press and hold the power key button. Now we can see that we can restart the device, and to turn it off, just click to power off button twice and wait a couple of seconds. After the vibration, the screen is dark and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.